Okay, we have a killdeer. Now, a killdeer is a very unique bird. It's hard to see, that's the point, it's camouflage, but not that well. When we get closer, you'll see it, it's just far away. It's by that puddle right there. It's about to walk just to the right of it. Now it's right of it. It's in front of that semi. I don't know if you see him. There. Shoot, I didn't even notice it fly away. They're loud and noisy, but if you're looking at the camera, not at the bird, it can be hard to squint and tell. She won't let me get much closer. But I promise, you saw her, right? Hopefully this is good pixels and it's not too blurry. Woo! Can't keep my camera on this girl. She bounces from place to place. She thinks that I'm gonna follow her looking for her nest. So she's trying to mislead me. She's been everywhere but her nest, bouncing all around, but she never flies towards the nest. Okay, I literally just lost her. Oh, she took off, she's far. That's a killdeer. Woo! Like and subscribe.